Hi, I'm Ella. I'm a member of the Envirolution Club at Truckee High, and today I'm going to be showing how to make a beeswax wrap at home. So included in the kit are beeswax and several pieces of fabric, and as well as that, you're also going to need a cheese grater, a piece of parchment paper or foil, and then a oven, a baking sheet, and a clothespin and a piece of string. So the first step is going to be to preheat your oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you're going to want to begin grating the beeswax with the largest setting on your grater. Okay, so now that I have my beeswax all grated, I'm going to line the baking sheet with a piece of foil and place the fabric on top of it. And depending on the size of your baking sheet, you may need to do each piece of fabric one at a time. You're then going to want to sprinkle the beeswax over the piece of fabric and place in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes. And before it goes in the oven, it should look something like this. Now place in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes at 225 degrees until the wax is completely melted. So I removed the baking sheet and the fabric from the oven, and as you can see, it's completely saturated on both sides. And now I'm going to hang to dry using the string and the clothespin. Now that the first sheet is drying, I'm going to repeat the process with the second piece of fabric. So now that both wraps are dry, which took about 3 to 5 minutes, here's the final product. And as you can see, they're super easy, sustainable alternatives to single-use plastics, such as plastic wrap and plastic bags. And they also help you and your family save money. So instead of having to go to the store every couple weeks to buy any plastic, you can instead just reuse your beeswax wrap. And most importantly, they're super easy conversation starters to help encourage friends and family members to lead a less wasteful lifestyle and stay away from single-use items, especially those that have sustainable alternatives like beeswax wrap. And so if you're interested, Town of Truckee and Truckee Roundhouse are working together to offer make-at-home kits that will be available for purchase. So you can visit truckeeroundhouse.org for more details on how to pick up your own kit and make a zero-waste difference in your own home.